In this problem, we are buying a ticket for a raffle for $200, and the prize is $10,000. We want to know what the expected value is if the probability of winning is 0.015. So you have two possible outcomes here. One is that you win, and the other is that you lose. Now, if you win, you don't really have $10,000 because you already spent $200. So we take 10,000 minus the 200, and that gives us 9,800. So that's how much you're actually winning here. Now, if you lose, you're just out $200. So I'm going to take this out. Let's move the 9,800 over here. So this is how much you're winning or losing. So we'll call this X. Now we want to know what is the probability of X. So the probability that you win was given in the problem as 0.015, and the probability then that you lose is 1 minus that, which is 0.985. So we just take 1 minus the probability of winning to get the probability of losing. I'm going to take that work out and move this over. Okay, so now we have a little table of winning and losing. Now you've got two options here. You can put this into the calculator, put the X values in L1, the P of X values into L2, and do 1 var stats L1, comma L2. And you type in L1 by pressing second and the number 1, and L2 by second and the number 2. And the comma is above the 7. So that's how you would put that into the calculator. To me, I think it's easier to do it by hand. You're still really using the calculator. But what you would type into the calculator is 9,800 times the 0.015 plus negative 200 times 0.985. So this is going to be a little quicker than typing the numbers in and then going through the 1 var stats. And this gives you, I believe it's a negative $50. You can check that in the answer key. One thing to be careful of if you're having trouble with this, if it's saying error, make sure that when you type in a negative that you use the negative in parentheses rather than the subtraction sign. And that's how you do that problem.